Unlock your potential with visual habit tracking. It's time to bring your dreams into reality. Visual habit tracking is your key to unlocking true discipline and progress. Are you tired of losing sight of your goals? With visual habit tracking, you can see your progress in real time. Imagine a life where you keep your promises to yourself. That's the power of visual habit tracking. You become your own accountability partner. Our habits shape our destiny. And with visual habit tracking, you can sculpt your habits to mold your desired future. Start by identifying the habits you want to cultivate and create a visual representation. Whether it's a chart, app, or good old-fashioned journal. Each day, mark off your successful habit execution. The visual feedback serves as a motivating guide, transforming your goals into a tangible journey. Stay consistent, celebrate the small victories, and watch how this straightforward habit tracking technique propels you toward lasting change and a more empowered version of yourself. Your progress awaits, and every small step counts. The most remarkable transformations begin with simple, intentional actions. Thank you for joining me today on Brilliant Underdog. Until next time.